This mess is totally embarrassing, but I'm doing it for YouTube. Woo! Hey guys, today we're talking about the best cleaning tips, those inexpensive things that truly work. I got together with a group of mom friends and we were talking about how great these tips were. I knew I had to make a dedicated video about it. I hope this helps out you in your house and that you enjoy. First up, how to clean chairs. Now at some point, let's be honest, fabric gets old and the chairs need a facelift. And the secret is something called Krypton fabric. You can order samples of this and spills roll off, it doesn't stain, the odors don't grab hold, and you can actually disinfect it. So my assistant Jess and I got a couple of yards of fabric, about 1.5, we'll do 6 chairs to reupholster. Wait till it goes on sale and you can use a coupon at Joann Fabrics. It's the best place to get it.
My kids love ketchup and they love Hershey's chocolate syrup. So we're gonna do a smiley face.
Yay! To show how this works.
No doubt about this.
He needs a nose. Griffin. We do it up right here at Doitonadime. So we put all skepticism to rest with a true stain test to see how impenetrable it really was.
Wow.
It's coming out. This worked wonders and it looks absolutely brand new. This is definitely the way to go if you've got kids. I'll be sure to link below. If you don't have time for a full reupholstery job, I love chair slip covers. And did you know you can get a 2-pack or 4-pack on Amazon that are stretchy for so cheap? And they have 5-star reviews. Anytime they get dirty, just spot clean and stick right in the washing machine. These are awesome and totally elevate a space on a tiny budget. Next, cleaning your sheets. This is probably my favorite tip of the video. Here's the side of the sheet for reference, and the top of the sheets totally have self-tanner stains on them, and they got grayed out by a shirt that I wore to bed, so we have got to fix this. Add about 1/3 cup of baking soda right to the drum of your washing machine, high efficiency or regular. This acts as a deodorizer, whitener, and a cleanser. It's so awesome. Add your sheets right on top of it and your laundry detergent as normal. Optional, add 1/3 cup of distilled white vinegar during the rinse cycle. I don't do this very often, but you can if you want to. You guys, this is the secret. Look at how bright these are, like brand new. Works every time. It amazes me every time that something so natural and simple gives this before and after. The camera can hardly focus. It's so white. Focus, camera. This next jaw-dropping tip is so awesome. Use shaving cream on your chrome fixtures. This Barbasol can came from the Dollar Tree. Add a small dollop to a microfiber rag and rub into any of your fixtures. And what's more, this is going to keep those hard water stains away. Check out this before and after. That is so shiny, it's a mirror. Get it done, girl.
Like, you know, it looks so good.
Keep going.
Let's just keep going.
And take it to more places we did. This also works really well in your kitchen sinks to polish out stains and make them look nice and shiny. This next tip is great, especially for pet owners. Did you know OxiClean works really well to clean your carpet?
You just pour it in. We're talking a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half.
Today we're using this in a spot cleaner. I'll be sure to link the one that we're using here down below, but you could also use this by hand. A tiny bit goes a really long way and gets so much out of the rug. And I want to end with the basic 3. 3 items you absolutely have at home you should be using to clean. And the first is rubbing alcohol on microfiber couches. Put a spray nozzle on it and spray on to wipe away all water stains. I'm pretty sure that's my most shared tip on my channel, but it has saved this couch many times. And using olive oil on a microfiber rag for your stainless steel. This sounds crazy, like how could this work? But it works beautifully on any appliance. And if you have any nicks on your cabinetry, use a Magic Rub eraser to get it off. Now it does have to be Magic Rub brand, but these are super inexpensive and work really well. Leave me a comment down below of your favorite cleaning hack. I trust this community so much and I can't wait to try them. I'm so grateful for you guys. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That really helps me out a lot. And subscribe so I can catch you in the next one. I'll see you guys there. Bye.
And Griffin is not happy with me either.
He's like, don't do it. Don't do it. It's okay, Griffin. The chair's gonna clean off. It's fine. Don't worry. We told you it would come out.